After update internet is not working, so how to solve this problem? So I giving you many solutions to do step by step. So first solution is click to start button, setting, select system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, network adapter, run, then internet connection also run. So guys, please wait few seconds. That time all service and all troubleshoot. You click to troubleshoot. Now I am giving you second solutions. Second solution is guys, update your network drive. Firstly, you check, open file manager, right click to this show more, manage, then click to network drive manager. So then network, internet and network. So this driver, firstly guys, you update from here. If not updating from here, so you can search your model number on Google and latest download and then install. Okay, you can search automatically on network, but as this shows but drives or your device are already installed. Yeah, it's okay. Third solutions. So guys, if you using any antivirus and firewall, so please disable. Sometime firewall blocking some internet drivers, so that's why it's not working internet. Okay, fourth solutions. So guys, next solution is click to start button, R- run Windows network reset features. So click to start button, setting, network and internet, then advanced network setting.